Haven tent, and this is a review today, so I'm gonna put it up and show you how it works, and looking forward to using it. But first, got these two straps right over here. There's two straps. Got these two trees right over here. Picked out this one and that one. I'm gonna set it up right here. See how it goes. Sure, you can go around kind of like this, like that, and then bring it through the loop like that. All right, pretty piece of cake. And then you want to lift it up. You want to have it over your head. Always have it over your head. Kind of like that. That's good. Nice and snugged right there. That's a good spot. And then for the other one, we're gonna place it right on this tree. This tree is not as thick as the other one, but I'm sure it's very sturdy. Trees are strong. They're not weak. But if you pick a tiny tree, it'd be a problem. But this tree, I don't think so. It's gonna be money. All right, look at this spot. Just gorgeous, I love it. All right, what we got here? We got, this is the cover. This is the pad. I also got an air up tool. It's a battery power air pump by Ozark Trails. I'm going to use that. All right, this is the main thing right over here. It also comes with some more accessories right over here. But this is the main deal. I'm gonna pull it out. I don't like that. Place that. It's very easy. Just gotta strap it on. I'm gonna strap it, let's see, right here, and go over here. Strap it. Right here. All right, y'all see, strapped it right there. I think that's kind of low, so I'm gonna go ahead and increase the length right over here. That way, that will offset that other side. I always carry extra bungees. You never know when you need them. All right, so I think that's pretty good. And then we'll move on to the brace, which is like this is gonna go on the sides. Okay, I don't like that. Let me open this up. I don't like that. All right, this is from the scratch, guys. This. Okay. What else we have in here? We have some more bungee stuff and rope and whatnot. But then comes the pad. Okay, the pad's pretty easy. It has a piece where you air it up. Right over here. It's hiding right there. It's called. This is a Haven Insulated XL pad. I'm pretty big. I'm over 220 pounds, so I figured I'll stick with that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the air pump, and I'm gonna air it up. So it needs one of these adapters. Let's see which one works. That one. No. This one. Yeah. Or this one. I think I like this one better. All right, stick it on. Where's it at? How does this go? Okay, all right, this part goes like that. Okay, this is my first time. All right, kind of like that. And then that goes on, all right. And then you gotta power on, pretty easy. And I'm gonna insert it in this little hole right over here, like that. See how long it takes to air it up. It's fast, guys. Rapid fast. We're just airing it up. Easy peasy. 30 seconds. 45 seconds. And she is done. Oh, wait a minute. All right, so where's the air bulb at? Where's the pad? Where's it at? All right, like that. Got him just in time. Turn that off. The switch is on and off, and the adapter's pulled through. Oh, don't open the bottom part. Like that. Wow. Okay. And the adapter shimmies out. Nice. Put that in there. So I got this nice insulated pad that's gonna go inside. It's gonna go inside the hammock, even tent. Like that. Like that. Like that. So I guess the bars are right there to just make it stay flat. Like that. Oh no, I put those bars in the wrong location. So these things are supposed to go right over here. Right here. Yeah. Kind of like there. And like there. I'm sorry, it just kind of tilted down, but it goes in here and goes in there. So that's where the two little metal installments go in there. And there's little pockets right over here. It just fits in real good like that. And then you insert one of these metals right here and insert it right there. Perfect. Oh, nope. And going right, kind of like that. And then boom, got a Haven tent right over here. Looks good, I like it. Close it up. Boom. Looks like that. That's your Haven tent right there. Haven tent. All right. Looks good, I like it. Positioning looks real good. Peace. But what a beautiful view we got right beside the lake. I'm gonna scoot in here and give it a try. This is a Haven. I got a Haven XL insulated mat inside. Yeah, I'm gonna get in here and test it out. All right, open like the mesh right over here. So you got plenty of storage right here, there, and also on that side. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and place my phone right over there. My wallet right over here. All right, I'm gonna go in here. Also my keys I'm gonna place them right over here. Okay. Nice little bar for the keys. I like that. But anyways, I'm gonna slip in here and see how it feels like. All right. All right. Wow. Feels good. Feels really good. All right. Say you lay flat on it. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna zip this mesh. I kind of like that. Looks like this. Lay super flat. I like it. Get the view. Got the lake on the side. Alright, this is the right spot. Always want to have the head part a little higher, just like this. My leg part is kind of a little bit high. My head part is higher than my leg. How peaceful is this? Great. To get out, you just unzip the mesh first. Very easy to get out. Not like other hammocks where you arch your back and try to get out and it just hurts. This one easy. Gets right out. I like it. Zips right up real nicely. Real nice. So that's the Haven tent without the rain fly.
Take it down.
It's pretty easy to take it down. So you're supposed to unzip the mesh first, like this. Take out the bars that are on the top. Real easy. 2 bars. There's 2 bars like this. You take them off. Put them back in this sack right here. Real easy. This is the sack it belongs in. Right over here. Very easy. And then we're gonna start taking the pad out. It's real easy too. Just pull it out like this. Comes out the pad. And this is the Haven insulated XL pad. Pretty wide for somebody who's big like me. But I'm gonna go ahead and inflate it. Deflate it. Still deflating it. There's a little thing inside. You just hold it open and it deflates itself. Took like 45 seconds to air it up. It's almost done. Very easy. These latches right over here. You just get them done right here. I like to go ahead and fasten the mesh up for next time. Fasten it up. On the other side, go ahead and take that strap, the buckle off. Pretty much it's gonna be like this. Fold it together a couple times, and voila. There's your Haven tent. We'll go ahead and place it in the bag it came in. I like that. Alright. Very piece of cake. You just gotta work it around a little bit until it fits in there. Easy peasy, I think. You know, not a whole lot of stress. There's it. There it is. Goes in there like that. Pretty good. And I like to go ahead and put my strap inside as well. That way I don't lose them. There's 2 straps. These are Hammock straps. You can get them anywhere, Walmart, Academy, even Bass Pro carries them. Or you can go to Amazon, whichever is easy for you. It goes in like that. Like that. Close this up. Like that. There's the sign, says Haven. Nice, check it out. Assembled in the USA and made in China. Right here. It's real lightweight too.